The angle that you see here now is our new angle. It's one that you probably haven't heard of before. This is called a reflex angle. And the definition of a reflex angle is an angle that is bigger than a straight line. So it's bigger than 180 degrees, but it's less than a full circle. So bigger than 180 degrees, but less than 360 degrees. You'll notice with the angle indicator on a reflex angle, the angle indicator is on the outside of that angle. So if you picture this angle indicator, it almost goes all the way around. It's on its way to a complete circle and then stops, which shows you that that is a very big angle. So again, with a reflex angle, it is not the inside angle, it is the outside. This very big angle indicator shows you the size of the angle. A good way to determine also if that is a reflex angle is to extend this angle out, or extend this array out to a straight angle. Let me just make that a little bit thicker so you can see that. So this from here to here, that now makes a straight angle. So as you can see with the angle indicator, a straight angle is half of a complete circle, which is 180 degrees, because 180 degrees plus 180 degrees equals 360. So if you look at this angle indicator, it comes over here and it goes past 180 degrees, which clearly shows you that that is a reflex angle. So to measure reflex angles, what we do is there is a protractor called a circle protractor or a percent protractor, but we don't really have to use those at this grade level. So I'm going to show you how to use the 180 degree protractor, which is what we have down here, obviously. Same thing as normal, but only this time, although we're looking at the angle on the outside, we're going to measure the inside angle, and then we're going to subtract that from 360 degrees, and it's going to tell us our outside angle. So I'm going to line this vertex again, the middle of my protractor. I'm going to line it up on the middle of this angle, just as you see here, and then I'm going to put this zero line right through that bottom array. I'm going to line the vertex up there, and the zero line goes through the array. So as you can see here, there's the vertex, the zero line, the array goes right through the zero line. This time this angle opens up on the left side of the protractor. So therefore we start with a zero on the left side, not the right side. So if we start with this inner angle here, if I look and I see, oh, this is a 90 degree. So I know the inside angle is bigger than a 90 degree, so it's obtuse. So I'm going to start at 0 and start counting up until I get to this top array. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, because we're not quite to 100, so it's about in the middle. So I know now that this angle is a 95 degree inside angle. So I know that there's 360 degrees in a complete circle. And if I found half of that complete circle, now I gotta find the other part of that complete circle. Well, it's not actually half, but I gotta find the other part of that complete circle now. So we found from here to here is 95. Now I gotta figure out from here to here what this would be. So all we have to do then, we know that there's the 360 degrees in a complete circle. So we write 360 degrees, subtract 95 degrees equals, and I'll pause for a minute so you can figure that out. All right, so you should have come up with 265 degrees for the reflex angle. So this big outside angle here equals 265 degrees. So that is how you find a reflex angle. You find the inside angle and subtract it from 365, and it gives you the opposite outside angle for your reflex angle, which again is bigger. Just show you one more time. The reflex angle, we make that straight angle, which is 180 degrees, From here to here is 180 degrees, but this one goes beyond that. It's bigger than 180 degrees, so it is a reflex angle.